Morning, Gregg Gators. It's Mrs. Emanuel here. I've invited you to join me on Mrs. Stone's front porch. I don't know if you knew this, but this part of the school is Mrs. Stone's front porch. And I don't know if you've noticed, like me, Mrs. Stone has had a big box on her front porch for weeks. So I knocked on her door one day and I said, Mrs. Stone, did you know you have a big box on your front porch? And she said, yeah. I said, Mrs. Stone, did you order a new refrigerator? No. How about some new patio furniture for your front porch? Is it a grill? She said, Mrs. Emanuel, I only know one thing. One night I was working late and a gentleman, came into the building and he said, I've got a great big gift for the kids at Gregg's school. And he left this box. And he said, here's the deal. You can't open it until March 5th. Guess what today is? It's March 5th! Oh, you're going to open that box. All right, so I need a couple friends to help me. So friends that are in the gallery, could we just have one on each side? We just have to take off this big cover. Anybody? I'm shaking. Isn't this exciting? Come forward, Mrs. Keeler. Yep, Mrs. Perry, go towards Mrs. Keeler. Okay. Oh, guys.
I'm gonna count down.
Oh, count down from like 10? 5,
4,
3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh! Awesome. You guys, I hope you can tell from where you're sitting, there is a little bit of a glare. We were gifted a book vending machine. This is a gift for the students at Gregg's school. Isn't that exciting? So here's the deal. You're not going to find Doritos or sugary drinks or Pop-Tarts in there. But you know what you're going to get? When you get a token and you go to that machine, you're going to get yourself a literary delight. That's right. That's right. You are. So here's what. Guess what? I got to let you in on a secret. I knew what was behind there. I've just been playing with you, but I want to tell you how we got this amazing book vending machine. It is a gift to the students of Gregg's school. It was purchased with donations. We had to write a proposal and we had to tell people why the kids at Gregg's school should have a book vending machine. And here's what we said. We said, kids, and there are some kids here, kids at Gregg's school love to read. Isn't it true? And then we said, kids at Gregg's school, they set reading goals and then they smash them. It's so true. So we said, we want another way to put brand new books in the hands of readers. Something that's kind of fun and creative. And Mrs. Collins actually was the one who found Inchy the book vending machine. That's what we call it, Inchy the book vending machine. So you're probably thinking, how can I get a book from Inchy the book vending machine? Here's the deal. Did you meet the reading challenge for the first marking period? If you did, you will be some of the first students to get a book from Inchy the book vending machine. Kids who met the reading challenge, you're going to get a special token and you'll get to choose a book that's brand new that you get to keep from the book vending machine. Isn't that exciting? I did invite some friends here so they could show you, like they're going to put their coin in, they're going to pick a book. You're going to see how it works. Are you ready? Awesome. Now, because I'm following COVID protocol, I'm going to hand you a token. I'm going to put my mask on for a second, you guys, because I'm going to get close to my student friends. All right. I'm going to hand them a token. Looks like this. They're going to put it in just like you would from a vending machine and choose a book. Keep watching. Come on over, guys. You know what we're going to do? We're going to we'll go in grade order. You get to be first! Yeah, you're so excited. Lily, oh, I was going to think it was way up high, but it's right here. So here's what happens, Lily. You put in your coin right here. Yeah. Look around. Do you see a book that you'd like for your very own? Do you know what it is? So do you see how there's a letter and a number? You have to push the letter first. So find the letter, C, and now push the number. C. Oh, that's okay. I'm going to try it again.
Here it comes. Here it.
Lily, show everybody Third grade, come on over. Come on over, Sophia. Do the same thing. Put your coin in right here. Take a look. Pick a book.
So many choices, Sophia.
So you have to press the letter, then the number that's under your book, and kind of press hard.
Oh, here she goes.
Go, 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 go. Yeah. Come on over.
Where do I put it?
Show your friends what fabulous book you got. Wow. Come on over, Matt.
We already know.
Yeah. I just read that book. It's fabulous. Here, turn it up. I'll hold it up. You pull your book up. Oh, wait. Let go for 1 second. Oh, we got it. Show your friends.
Oh, wow.
Is there anything else I need to share?
No, this is it.
Oh, I do have one more thing to share. I'm going to take my mask off for a sec. There are some really important people that we need to thank. This vending machine was bought with donations. Donations because people believe in our reading goals. People believe in us, but your parents supported it. Teachers in our building supported it. Our own families and friends supported this gift to the students of Gregg School. And I got to tell you something. It arrived and we were like, woohoo! And then we were like, uh-oh, we need books. And the PTA stepped right up and the PTA purchased most of the books that you see in that vending machine. So if you're a parent and your family participates in the PTA, we thank you from the bottom of our hearts because we're super excited. So here's what's going to happen before I say goodbye. In a moment, or actually right now, students in 2nd and 3rd grade that are in the B cohort that met the reading challenge, please join us in the lobby, not the lobby, the front porch outside Mrs. Stone's room. Join us on the porch and you'll get to pick a book, right? And then we have something else fun planned for you. All right, friends who are in the A cohort, you'll get to do this on Tuesday if you met the reading challenge. Thank you so much to everyone who supported our book vending machine. See ya.